Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Math Textbook Exercise 4.1, question number 7. In figure, OPRQ is a square and angle MLN is 90 degree. Prove that triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO. Like that, other similarities we have to prove. Look at the figure. Here, the OPRQ is a square. Now, question number 7. First part. Here, in triangle LOP and triangle QMO, triangle LOP and QMO, we can write the similarities. Angle OLP is equal angle OLP is equal to angle MQO 90 degree. MQO both are 90 degrees. And next one, LOP, angle LOP is equal angle QMO. Both are similar triangles. This means this angle and this angle are similar. That is triangle LOP, angle LOP is equal OMQ, angle OMQ. That means corresponding angles. Then from that, therefore you can say triangle LOP is similar to triangle MQO. Reason is AA criterion. By AA criterion of similarity. Now, second part I had to prove triangle LOP is similar to RPN. Triangle LOP is similar to RPN, like this left side, right side. Then triangle LOP in LOP and triangle PRN, we have PLO, angle PLO is equal angle NRP. Angle PLO that is 90 and NRP that is equal 90 degree, and angle LPO equal angle PNR. Both are corresponding angle, which is here LPO and PNR both are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Therefore, the triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. AA similarity. AA similarity. Next, third question. Here third question we have to prove triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. In triangle QMO and triangle RPN, here first this triangle is similar to this triangle is similar to this, therefore you can say this triangle and this triangle is similar. That means you can write since triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO and triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN, therefore we can say triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. Fourth question, fourth part of the question is QR squared equal to MQ into RN. Here we have a triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN from before, that is from third. Then we can say from that similarities QMQ MQ over RP. Look at this figure. MQ over RP is equal to OQ over PR. MQ over RP is QO over RN. Now, since the triangle PROQ is a square given, therefore instead of MQ, here instead of MQ and here QR MQ by RP, therefore you can write in that QR square equal to MQ into RN. Since before that we can write this MQ into RN equal RP into QO. Therefore, here RP and QR is RP, QR and OP are equal because sides of the squares. Regarding that, we can write here QR squared, both are equal MQ QR. Therefore, QR square equal MQ into RN. Means here we can say RP and QO, RP equal QO equal QR. Therefore, instead of RP and QO, we are writing QR. That is QR into QR is QR square is MQ into RN. Now, question number 8. Here, question number 8. In triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, such that triangle ABC is 9 centimeter square and the area of DEF is 16 centimeter square, then BC equal 2.1 centimeter. Find the length of EF. Here, now, question number 8. We write the two triangles here, DEF and ABC. ABC. Here, area of triangle ABC over area of triangle DEF equal, we know that area of the triangle is the ratio of the square of the sides of the corresponding triangle, that is here BC square, here BC square over DF square, EF square, EF square. Therefore, here ABC triangle ABC is 9 and area of the ABC is 9, area of the triangle DEF is 16 equal BC square is 2.1 square and EF we need. Then here square root both side, that is 3 over 4, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 16 is 4, 2.1 over EF. Therefore, EF equal 3, EF equal 2.1 into 4 over 3. This is 0.7 is equal 0.7 into 4 is 2.8 centimeter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.